JT, do you like the train? How much do you like it? A lot?
A lot. A lot.
Happy birthday, buddy. Happy 2 years old. You going through the tunnel? What do you think, buddy? JT, best gift ever? Do you like this better than Puppy? You like Puppy better. Do you like this better? You're welcome. All the kids are coming tomorrow. Are you excited to see them? Yeah, it'll be fun, won't it? JT, can you say thank you? Thank you to who? Say thank you to Daddy and Mommy. Can you say thank you, Mommy? Say thank you, Mommy.